In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Mr. President, honorable judges, and my dear audience, Assalamu alaikum. Today, my topic in this inaugural hall is the role of Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu in the stability of the state of Medina. Mr. President, the role of Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu in the stability of state of Medina looks like one of the foundations of the state of Medina. After being elected as a caliph, he performed all the state responsibilities well. Peace, prosperity, justice, and development adorned the entire Medina. A very good method was adopted to restore the state affairs of the Prophet's era. However, after the intercourse ultimate reality of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, there were various temptations that were devoting their energies to uprooting Islam. Among them, the temptation of claimants of prophethood was at the top. Aswad Ansi in Yaman, Muzaym al-Kazab in Yamama, Sajjad Dr. Haris in Jazeera, and Tulaha Asadi in Banu Asad and Banu Taib falsely claimed prophethood. Mr. President, the finality of the prophethood was not a trivial issue to be resolved. Rather, this belief was included in the foundation of the state of Medina. Therefore, Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar, may Allah be pleased with him, used all his skills to the best of his ability against this temptation and destroyed them by sending Islamic army. Mr. President, when the temptation of prohibiting zakat raised his hand and said that only the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, had the right to receive zakat from us, not you, then he fought against the temptation with full strength, courage, and manliness, and said openly, the person who used to give zakat in the time of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, and now, if he owes a rope of camel, the part of God. If he doesn't give, I will fight against him. This was the central point of state stability which he established. Mr. President, 400 infidels that kindled the flames of war. In Iraq, he sent an army under the command of Hazrat Khalid bin Walid, may Allah be pleased with him. Many slaves of Iraq were conquered. The fight between Karnak, Sudir, Najaf, and Al-Anbar escalated. Islam prevailed in Anatam, Dawat al-Jundal, the inhabitants of Luwaz and Kilwazi. After that, the flags of victory and success of Islamic army were hoisted on Fadih and Hamid. Islamic army defeated the Romans in Syria. He spread the Islamic state emerging from Dar al-Arqam to the length of the world and gave practical stability to the state of Medina. Mr. President, he also solved many scientific problems facing the state very well. A great service of collection of Quran is a memorial of his era. All the Muslims who read the Quran or reading it or will read it in the future till the day of judgment, Hazrat Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar, may Allah be pleased with him, is equal participants in their reward. Apart from this, his services in academic fields are valuable. Therefore, according to a saying, there are 142 hadiths narrated by Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar, may Allah be pleased with him, which were collected by Imam Jalali in Taqreeri al-Khulafa. Talking about jurisprudential problems, he proposed all the solutions to the jurisprudential issues faced by the state very well. For example, he offered a suitable solution to the inheritance of grandpa, the inheritance of grandma, Kawala, and the punishment for drinking wine. Mr. President, keeping in mind the fragility of the time, I will only say that whatever victories the state of Medina was blessed within the Farooq era and the Ottoman era were also blessed by Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar, may Allah be pleased with him, who is an unforgettable example of the state stability of the Medina. I will conclude my speech with this message that the life of Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu ta'ala is a beacon of light for all of us. So we as Muslims should follow the golden examples of his life. Thanks. Wassalam.